Hey, what's going on, my friend? It's James again, and I'm coming to you today from my home office here, with my work from home space. And I was a webinar I attended last night, and felt I should share this here with you all. It's very knowledgeable. I mean, the guy did an incredible job and opened my eyes to some things that it changed the way I'm going to be doing business. Not put it to you like that, but anyway, his name is Marquell Russell, and he has the 1, 2, 3 step blueprint for how he's able to consistently on autopilot generate $3,000 to $10,000 per month, guys. And I have to throw this out there: results are not typical. Okay, we don't know what someone else's worth ethic, what they're going to be doing or not. But anyway, I'm going to show you a little bit about Marquell here, and let you guys check that out, and then later on I'll pass that information on to you.
Russell discuss how he's been able to crush it out with webinars. I call it wealth with webinars, how you can actually start making $1,000 plus a day using live or on-demand webinars. Now, results are not typical. Let me go ahead and throw that in there. But at the same time, if you do the hard work necessary and you follow Marquell's lead, you will absolutely crush it. Marquell, welcome to the training, man. Thank you for doing this little promo video. How you doing, bro?
I'm blessed, man. I'm excited to be here, man. I appreciate you reaching out to me. I mean, I'm deeply honored to be able to impart some value into your community.
Excellent. So let's just start with the usual suspects, man. Who's Marquell Russell, man? How did you come to know this world of internet marketing?
Man, so the abridged version is I stumbled across this thing, I guess about 7 years ago or so. And I was literally hanging out in the club, drinking, hanging out. And a guy walks up to me and pitches me on this thing called network marketing. He didn't say network marketing, he just told me I could sell phones. And everybody who I knew who had a phone, I could get paid off of it. So I'm like, okay, that's cool. So I ended up going to an event. They told me I can get two, who got two. And I've been making millions of dollars. And I was like, surely I can get two. So I dove in head first, paid my $500 or whatever. And the rest is, as they say, is history. I mean, it wasn't as easy as they said it was going to be, not even close. But I found out that after I ran out of my initial people to talk to, like, what do I do now? And I started looking at the other people who have been successful. And I was like, these people can't just be relying on their warm market. So one day, somebody in my team actually sent me a link and was like, hey, you can do this sponsoring online thing. So I bought this little ebook for about $40. And it was talking about how I can attract people to me without doing meetings and all that. So that was my first introduction to internet marketing. So as you know, anybody who knows, once you come into this internet marketing thing, it takes you down a rabbit hole. So I went down this internet marketing rabbit hole, buying all types of stuff. Literally went broke and went through my whole savings because I had really transitioned like out in the streets, like from a whole nother world into doing this. High school dropout, the whole nine, and I had ran through my whole savings trying to learn this stuff. And I was I literally went broke and wasn't making any money. So the reason I wasn't making any money, I found, is that because I wasn't implementing anything. I was trying to learn everything because I thought that knowledge is power, right? So the more knowledge you get, you're going to make money, but it's not. It's applied knowledge. So I started implementing, and I had a call. I bought a course one time, and I had a call. A call came with the course.
Okay, that's Marquell, guys, and if you'd like to go ahead and check out his webinar, I did get to see the webinar, and it blew me away. I tell you what, I'm going to change the way I start advertising now. I was afraid to do the webinars, but with his 1, 2, 3 simple step, he really breaks it down, guys. And so if you'd like to go ahead and take a look at that, go ahead and click on the link below and subscribe to my page, and I'll get that information to you.